So here's this app Bro Locksreen Buddy. I upgraded to Bro Plus, so this is the paid version. They have super cheap weekly price and then yearly. But yeah, let's just open it up. So here's Bro Plus, and here's how it looks like. Again, you can only access if you pay, and then kind of this is the idea. So you kind of can just what's up.
Chill. I'll zip it for now. You know I can't stay quiet long though.
Ouch. Ouch. Ouch.
Or you can just text it, and then you can see this is how it looks like. So and then you see the feed which you can explore. You can see like different things, but the idea of this app, as I understand that this is like constant lock screen helper, which with this app you can just have this is the body on your phone, kind of like like a clippy in Microsoft Office like 20 years ago. Like that's and then it can help you out with shopping, with browsing internet, with whatever you have, and just you can just conversate with it, support each other. So I don't know, like how, obviously how it's different from ChatGPT, but this is the idea: is that you just have this little bro notification, and that's basically the idea. I don't know, like actually how then you enable it as a lock screen. You can delete your account. So then you can just go here, and then you can see live activities enabled, more frequent updates enabled. So it should be available on your lock screen. So here is, I have this, but it's not showing up in dynamic island. So yeah, that's basically, I don't know, kind of that's just what you have. Maybe you need to talk with it more. How to enable you in Safari.
Easy bro, just open Safari, tap share scroll to bro, hit add extension. Boom, I'll pop up on your screen like your funniest homie.